All right, so guys, this is number 1 out of section 1.7, dealing with inequalities, and it says solve the inequality, write the solution set in interval notation. Okay, so let me get my pen here. So we have negative 7x plus 4 is less than or equal to 32. So remember, I'm going to solve this just like I solve an equation. I'm trying to get the letter x all by itself, okay? So first step is I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4 on both sides. So this leaves me with a negative 7x is less than or equal to 32 minus 4 is 28. Then we're going to divide both sides by negative 7. And this is x, and 28 divided by negative 7 is a negative 4. Now this is the thing we got to remember here, y'all. Since we're dividing by a negative, okay, whatever number we divided by, it was a negative number. If we divide by a negative number, then this inequality sign needs to switch, okay? So now we have x is greater than or equal to negative 4. And so the directions say, write the solution set in interval notation. So in the videos, one of the things that I showed you guys was how to graph it. I know it's not asking me to graph it, but I want to show you how to graph it because, in my opinion, if I look at my graph, then it's easier for me to know what my interval notation looks like. So here's my number line, right? If I go to the left, I'm approaching small numbers, and I keep going, I'm going to, like approaching negative infinity, and if I move to the right, then my numbers get bigger, and I'm approaching positive infinity, and the number that I really want to put on here is negative 4, right? So I'm going to say this here is negative 4. I'm going to fill my circle in. And since x is bigger than that, I'm shading to the right? And again, I know it didn't ask me to do the graph, but look, this hasn't taken me more than a few seconds to do. And now that I know what my graph looks like, I can enter my answer in interval form. So I'm going to put a bracket with a negative 4, and we're going to go all the way until we hit infinity. With the infinities, we always use a parenthesis. The bracket means we are including the number. And since this part here says greater than or equal to, we're including the negative 4. The number that we cannot include infinity, right? It's more of a concept. It's not an actual number, right? What's infinity? It just keeps growing and growing, but it's not an actual number. Okay, so the question is now, how do I put this piece in my math pattern? So let me show you. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to hit my little answer. Okay, so I should have a bracket button right here. So if you look at my keyboard, so there's Y, U, I, O, P, and then here's my bracket. And then I'm going to hit negative 4. So where's my minus sign? Right here, negative 4, comma. There should be an infinity button. So if you look right above the number 9, you can see the little infinity button. So I'm going to put the infinity button there. And then I want to do parentheses, so I need to find my parentheses. Oh, can I find it? Where is it? It should be here. Maybe if I hit the more button. I don't see it there. I got a oops, let me come back. Here. I should have something somewhere. There we go. Where is my parenthesis? If I do this. There we go. Okay, so guys, all I did is the little shift, and now I see my parentheses. I'm doing this on my iPad, but you'll have it on your keyboard, right? And oops, it's in the wrong spot. So let me see. I think that's not what I wanted to do. Sorry about that, y'all. Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of that and put it over here. Here we go. Now let's shift and put that there. Okay, now let's check our answer. There we go, and we got it now, okay? So that's all I'm really doing here. If y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.